Need to install the PL203 driver on Windows 11? I'll guide you through the steps. Stay tuned for a quick and efficient way to get your PL203 device up and running. Access the link that posted in the description below. So head to the browser, and as you can see, this is the PL203 Windows driver download webpage. So if you want to download the installer for this driver, make sure to click on the blue hyperlink next to download file, so click on it and then decide with choosing a location for the download, and lastly click on the save button. Now, after the download is finished, make sure to minimize the browser, and the next step is to simply unzip the download. The simplest way to unzip this download file is to right-click on it, and then select the Extract All option in here. If you want to, you can choose a different location by pressing on the Browse button, and otherwise you can click directly on the Extract button. And as you can see, you extracted all the files into a new folder on your desktop. Now the last thing you have to do is simply double-click on the prolific driver installer file. So double-click on it and minimize the other folder, and continue with the installation procedure. Click on the Next button. And as you can see, the installation, press on Next, and then everything went on automatically. Now you can simply press on Finish to finish the procedure. And that's it. Now the PL203 prolific driver is installed on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.